Hey, what's up with you guys? So, got a lot of feedbacks. Thank you very much. Dress down, t-shirt, change the scenery. However, unlucky today. Weather and visibility are not that good. Probably there is some typhoon on the northeast Asia hitting the mainland around Shanghai, so it's impacting us a bit. But no worries, we'll still continue, but we'll do it briefly. Lately, mainly because of many ransomware attacks that are popping up around the world, North America, Asia Pacific. So in the last few days, many of you approached me, asked me to speak about a very notorious group that reappeared on the surface called REvil. And that's what we are going today. But before, here is a reminder about this group.
A criminal gang behind the latest massive ransomware attack is demanding $70 million in cryptocurrency. This hack has exploited vulnerabilities in management software made by US IT firm Kaseya and infected thousands of computers in at least 17 countries.
Just in, the Wall Street Journal reports JBS paid hackers a ransom of $11 million after last week's cyber attack crippled that company's meat supply.
Yet on July 13, this group vanished from the surface without any notice. And here are the news about that.
All known websites associated with the hacking group REvil are in fact down this morning. Now, these are sites maintained by the hacking group, which has been linked to Russia in the dark web. They use these sites to communicate with their victims, to publicize some of the material that they've stolen. All of those now are down, we are told, by two high-ranking cybersecurity officials. Here's what you see if you try to go to an REvil site right now. It just says a server with a specified host name could not be found.
Yet on September 7, almost 2 months after their disappearance, suddenly their Tor site went up in the dark web and was accessible. So what's going on? Who is this group? Why they reappeared again and with the same name? And what can we expect? If you are new to this site, my name is Yaniv Hoffman. I'm an IT professional and cybersecurity expert, bringing you the latest news on the cybersecurity world. REvil is a short for ransomware evil, and it's the most notorious ransomware groups lately. It operates from Russia, and it's accused to be responsible for many of the latest ransomware attacks, like the Quanta computers company in Taiwan, or JBS, the meat packer, or Kaseya, the software company in the US. So according to Bloomberg, REvil are operating via a website called Epiblog, where it publishes samples of data stolen before locking companies out of their own networks. The attackers then try to pursue targets to pay for a digital key to restore network access. So according to blippingcomputer.com, after the shutdown of REvil, many researchers and law enforcement believed that they will rebrand themselves and come back with a new operation. However, to our utmost surprise, they came back this week with the same name. Experts that spoke with Bloomberg said that they believe this was a cool-off period for REvil to improve their operation and infrastructure, mainly due to a very hectic activity lately. Last year, on May 7, REvil asked $42 million from a New York law firm and threatened to leak dirt on Donald Trump. Earlier this year, REvil took credit for hacking the Taiwanese hardware supplier Quanta, and in the process also published secret blueprints for the new Apple devices. Following it, attacked Kaseya and meatpacker JBS during June and July with ransomware demands of millions of dollars. So ransomware gangs prompt the Biden administration to take action this year following the attacks on their critical infrastructure. including healthcare providers, manufacturers, and gas pipeline operators. Since then, the administration has launched a series of task forces aimed at rooting out the scourge, a crackdown that coincided with many cyber gangs going offline. So what will happen now following their reappearance? It's not hard to guess that they will continue to lead the segment. We will see more frequent ransomware attacks and much more sophisticated. So all of us, organizations, personnel, need to be prepared. Thank you for watching. If you like to see more of that topics, please like and subscribe and leave your comments. If you want to learn more about ransomware, please see my video on ransomware attacks. I will leave the link in the description. Until next time, see you.